Alrighty, so a couple of these Ultion dimple locks in an eBay job lot. This one's keyless, but the key doesn't work, but I have a key for this one. I thought I'd go picking them. I can't get them because I can't get these retaining pins out, but whatever. They're not particularly hard. There's a 2mm bar and this is a multi-pick. Number 4, number 5, one of those. So I'm going to use fairly heavy tension. And this is obviously a well-used lock. Heavier tension just makes it a bit easier to find the binding pins. Apologies that I'm blocking the keyway picking this, but the joys of being left-handed and having a small desk. So I think these are a 6-pin lock. Just going to go picking off the top corner. Picking Euro style today because why not? Half the difficulty with these is not the security pins, but there we go. So that's one done. Let's try this one. And yeah, half the problem with these is not the pins that are in there, but the keyway is quite wide, so getting something in there that doesn't just move around is a bit of a pain. So I'm picking off this edge on the pins like that. See if we can get this one. So again, fairly heavy tension. Just work our way down, looking for binding pins. These are sold as a high security lock in the UK, mostly because they're anti-snap. Yeah, they're not particularly hard. I don't think these are ranked on the LPU belt scale, but they're probably around a green, maybe a low blue. And there we go. That's it, one done. So I'm not going to get these because I can't get the clips out, but yeah, I think there's maybe some serrateds in there, maybe a spool and a standard. Yeah, nice little, fairly easy 6-pin lock.